So what I'd like to show you today is this 2017 Honda CRV. Unfortunately, the 2017 and 2018 model years have an issue where all the warning lights on the dash light up and the car runs pretty poorly. We're farmers, we like to fix things ourselves. So what we found online is people suggesting replacing the battery, simply disconnecting the battery, resetting at the radio, and also maybe even replacing injectors. We tried disconnecting the battery and then resetting at the radio, and that didn't work for us. So, what we decided to do was try this Lucas upper cylinder lubricant and injector cleaner. Here's the small bottle. They run about $5 to $7. The suggested rate is about 3 ounces to 10 gallons. Here you'll see there's a quart size bottle that runs about $12 to $13. For this vehicle, we use about 4 ounces every fill up. You can also do it about every other fill up as well. Um, we find it's a great product, easy to use, fast and simple. We also found it in a gallon for about $30 to $40, so it saves a little money there as well. I can tell you it's been 4 months since we tried it, and those lights have not come back on. So we've had great success with it. Give it a try. It might save you some time and money, and let me know in the comments if it works for you. I appreciate you watching. Take care of yourselves. Have a good one. Bye.